Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I'm Kurata Aini, the second semester student of English Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education at the University of Mataram. I will present my journal entitled Exploration, Creative Thinking Skill and Writing Essay, Media-Based Image Series by Nitya Ayu Octavia Suharno and Kristi Suryandari. Here, there is an outline among others, introduction, method, result and discussion, and conclusion. I will explain the abstract part first. Creative thinking in essential skill for student learning. The study analyzes creative thinking skill using series image media for 3 grade students, totaling 50 students. This research is descriptive qualitative with a case study model. The method uses structured interview to identify problems. Data analysis follow the Mylands and Huberman theory. The results show that creative thinking skill in writing essay with series image media still need revolution. Students have difficulty developing idea into narrative writing, hindering that learning process. More than half of the students do not meet the four creative thinking indicator. With impeded classroom learning, the study suggests the importance of training creative thinking skill early using series image media or other methods. Next, I will explain the introduction. The introduction set the stage by highlighting the significance of creative thinking skill in education, particularly in the context of writing essay using image series media. Creative thinking is emphasized as a vital tool for students to approach learning with innovative and problem-solving abilities. This study aims to delve into the analysis of creative thinking skill among elementary school students, focusing on their capacity to utilize image series media in narrative-based writing. Through qualitative research method and interview, the study seeks to uncover challenges students face in expressing ideas within narrative and post complication for educators to exchange creative thinking skills through tailored pedagogical approach. I will explain further in the method section. 1. Research design. The study adopts a descriptive qualitative approach with a case study model. 2. Occasion participant. Conducted at the SDN Solocaton, Karanganyar, Sukarta, Central Java, involving 53 garden students, co-strong purposive spiraling. Data collection method utilizes image series media and structure interview with educator and student, supplemented by observation. 4. Data analysis followed an inductive model including data reduction, display, and drawing conclusion. 5. Creative thinking assessment. A session based on 4 indicators: function, flexibility, originality, and elaboration, with description provided in Table 1. 6. Results revealed that only 56% of students meet all 4 indicators, suggesting area for improvement in creative thinking skill in narrative writing. And I will explain in the result section. The study aimed to assess creative thinking skill among elementary school students, particularly focusing on fluency, flexibility, originality, and elaboration through observation and interview. The finding revealed that only 56% of students meet the criteria for creative thinking skill across this aspect. In the assessment of fluency in it was observed that only 22% of students demonstrated fluency in their creative thinking. The deficiency could be attributed to the students struggling in connecting even cohesively within their narrative when provided with a series of image media. While analysis the image, students might have faced challenges in maintaining the continuity of event, resulting in disconnected sentences and paragraphs. It's noteworthy that this finding aligns with existing research indicating that most third grade students typically do not exhibit strong soft skills, suggesting that enhancing writing skill requires intervention such as cultivating writing habits and providing ample exercise. Furthermore, research suggests that students tend to produce more original ideas afterwards, indicating the importance of teaming in training change. Regarding flexibility in thinking, only 38% of students demonstrate proficiency in this aspect of creative thinking. The lack of flexibility might stem from students' inability to refriggerate their surroundings effectively to generate new or unique story ideas. Only a minority of students are provided fresh perspective derived from their environment of daily experience into their narrative. This finding excites previous research, emphasizing the importance of flexibility in problem-solving situations where learners must adapt and strategies to overcome challenges effectively. Similarly, in terms of originality, only 26% of students exhibited creativity in their narrative. This lack of originality could be attributed to students' limited engagement with the natural environment and their narrative superficial description. Many students fail to delve deeply into the imagery provided, resulting in narrative lacking depth and detail. This underscores the need to exchange student interest in narrative writing and encourage them to explore narrative more comprehensively and evidenced by their strongest insight proprietary story element. I will explain the discussion. Creative thinking is vital for students, facilitating innovative problem solving and effective expression of ideas. This study essential creative thinking skill in elementary students, using image media to exchange narrative essay writing. Results showed 26% meet innovative thinking indicators, with only 22% demonstrating function, 28% flexibility, and 26% originality in their narrative. These findings highlight the need for target intervention to improve writing abilities, emphasizing exploration, adaptability, and engagement with the natural environment. Timely intervention post-rest periods are crucial for stimulating original idea generation. To explain the last part, conclusion. Overall, after researching narrative writing essay based on surreal image media, students have described and detailed ideas in sequenced and involved new and unique idea when writing narrative. The student needed help getting ideas into narrative-based writing. This will result in learning to write narrative that are harmful. The result of creative thinking skill in writing essay with serious image media still must be evaluated in general. It is proven that more than half of the sample number of students still need to meet the fourth aspect of creative thinking indicator, so it will undoubtedly hinder the learning process in the classroom, especially related to write skill. This result chart time need to be followed up to correct the potential shortcoming of student creative thinking skill from an early age. That's all from me, Krata ini. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.